Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get the Seraphic Road in Fisch Roblox. So today we are diving into the Fisch to talk about the much anticipated Seraphic Road. If you have been wondering how to unlock the powerful road, you are come to the right place. Stick around until the end. I will walk you through everything you need to know to get your hands on it. So let's start it. Here the big news. The game level cap has been increased to 1000 while you can unlock the knife road at level 500. The Seraphic Road is available when you hit level 100. Sound like a grind, right? But trust me, it's worth it because this road is shaping up to the one of the best in the game. What is the Seraphic Road looks like? Pretty wild, right? The design is super sleek and definitely stand out. Now let's talk stats. There have been some speculation about the Seraphic Road's capabilities. Here's what we know. 90% lure speed, 500% luck, 0.15% control, 10% relations. Infinite max weight capacity. Crazy stats, right? But let's take them with a grain of salt for now. These numbers are not confirmed yet, and we will need more testing to know for sure. From what we can tell, the Seraphic Road offers significantly better luck compared to the knife road, but it is highly reverse control. Resilience remains about the same. It is like an upgraded version of the knife road with a trade-off in control. That's all there is to it. Grind your way to level 1000 and you will unlock the incredible road. Whether you are finishing the fun or aiming the top tier catches, the Seraphic Road might just be your best friend. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content.